TaylorDunn provides top-quality personnel carriers, burden carriers, and tow tractors to meet your specific needs. Here at TaylorDunn, we are continuously adapting and upgrading our products to improve customer satisfaction. To stay at the forefront of the market, we have designed Bigfoot, a new line of ergonomic burden carriers. The Bigfoot was created to supply the market with a competitively priced burden carrier that offers unequaled comfort and performance. Primary features include a larger operator's compartment, sliding adjustable seats, adjustable tilted steering, and left footrest, which greatly improve ergonomics, increase comfort, and reduce operator fatigue. Equipped with an AC motor, the Bigfoot exhibits increased power and longevity. While it's designed to carry loads of 3,000 pounds or tow loads of 7,500 pounds, this burden carrier can be configured to tow increased capacities upon request. Available with either a 36 or 48-volt system to meet your application. The Bigfoot travels at a speed of up to 12 miles per hour. The 36-volt has a range up to 30 miles, while the 48-volt has a range of up to 40 miles. The Bigfoot electric burden carrier measures 130.5 inches long by 44 inches wide. The bed size is 77 inches long by 44 inches wide. It has a 137-inch turning radius and a 274-inch outside clearance circle. Standard features include our GT drive system, rear hydraulic disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, recessed tie-downs, 12-gauge smooth skin unitized steel body, dual LED headlights, taillights and brake lights, emergency power cutoff switch, dual cup holders, dash tray, dual USB charger, DC-DC converter, and non-skid texture-coated floor. The 36 and 48-volt both come standard with the cutting-edge Smart View display. Additional standard features include hand-operated parking brake, built-in battery charger, key switch, forward and reverse selector, high-low speed switch, headlight switch, reverse alarm, and an electric horn available. Options to customize your Bigfoot include fold-away seats, steel cab with lockable doors, halogen lights on deluxe cab, strobe light, directional signals, lockable cargo box, and aluminum drop-down sides. As with all of our vehicles, should you require more than the published options in order to meet your particular needs, TaylorDunn can custom engineer and build a Bigfoot specifically for you. With over 200,000 vehicles in service and 65 years of experience in the industry, TaylorDunn products are the best way to go about your business.